Going on, folks? This is Daryl making another Central Boiler video, doing me a little update. It's been probably 5 years since I made my last video. Wanted to make a little tutorial on my Central Boiler outdoor furnace. Still doing great. I've had to rebuild one 007 taco pump since my video, which was nothing easy. It's been good to me. If you're looking for a way to save money, this is the only way to go. My electric bill was running like $597 before I got my stove installed. After I got it installed, it was the first month that I had it was like $60. The next, I think it was like $70, and hardly nothing. And it's been good to me. This is what I burn right here. They're rotary cores. Ain't got no bark on them. That right there is what I've got left. 2 ricks about 20 foot long. And it's heating about 32 by 80 of double wide. And it's nothing for that stove. It's awesome. The guy that installed it, it's his main business. It's Kelly Southern Ohio Classics. His name's Kelly Jones, real good guy. If you need your outdoor furnace, he can hook you up. I know like there's tons of different stove makers out there. Folks, you ain't gonna get it like Central Boiler. I'll show you the design of the inside of this thing. It's what really makes it. Because heat travels to the top. All your load stays right there. When you open a firebox on a stove and you can see the flue, that's not good. Or you see a fan to blow in there on your wood, make it burn up quicker. Sorry, not for me. All right. Y'all have a wonderful day.